Good morning, everybody. It is morning. Sorry, let me put my mic on here. You guys like the mic. You can hear much better with the mic. I forgot it in a video and, sorry. All right, so it is morning. I made a video last night before I went to bed. I'm up early this morning making another video. It's harder to do things like that with my husband around. Yeah. Anyhow, I've had this package for a little while. So this comes to us from Sigmall, one of those companies I found on, I don't know, Facebook, Instagram, somewhere. I don't know. Don't remember, but I thought I would try them. This one took a while. I'm just going to say it took a while. It was probably like 5 weeks. I kept watching and waiting and watching and looking and okay, finally got here. So as you can tell, I have like 5. They have some deal and I don't remember what it was at this point. I used to be really good about keeping track of all that stuff and writing it in a book. Well, you know, it's the school year. So that stuff's kind of gone by the wayside. Sorry. Anyhow, there was some deal of some sort. Something was free. I don't know. I'm going to do like 2 of these in a video and then probably 3 in another video to break it up. So let's do this one. He's kind of fat. And let's do this one. Oh, they're all kind of fat. Well, he's kind of skinny. Let's do that one. I'm going to do a short one this morning because, you know, it is morning. And I still have to go to work. So yeah, we'll set this one over here for a minute. And we'll do a couple of these. See what we got. I mean, I know what we got. I think I remember. I have one in here that's actually really different for me. I've never gotten anything like this one before. So when I find it, I'll let you know. I mean, you'll probably notice too. It has started to rain here, like really rain, like it's coming down. So they're like, you know, the more plasticky kind of tough canvas. So I believe they're all going to be poured glue. Oh, this one's pretty. Well, I haven't ever gotten anything like this one, actually. I'm going to kind of roll it back a little bit here because they got these hard creases and it's not going to want to lay down. All right, so this one, here's the toolkit. I'm guessing they're all going to have the same basic toolkit. This one is special drills. Yay, special drill. All right, so let's show you what we got. Hopefully it'll lay down better. It has 8 different symbols, 8 different gems. Isn't that fun? I've looked at these for a while, these kind of crazy flower things that just go everywhere. 40 by 30, not true to size, I'm sure. If I wasn't all connected, I'd go grab my measuring tape real quick, but I'm all hooked up here and it's over there. But you can tell that's not a true 40 by 30. You know, so my guess is 25 by 35. That's usually what they are when they come like this. But it's really pretty. Look at the pretty flowers. Of course, for some reason, my camera doesn't want to focus. Let's go to the trees. Let's see. Ah, there we go. So it's not as bright as I thought, but that's okay because, you know, when you add those rhinestones and stuff, it's going to brighten it up. And the background's really green. I didn't think it was so green, but it's really green. Anyhow, it should be pretty. Let's look at rhinestones real quick. I can already see something in here that everything's hooked together. So a really light purple, another purple, silver. This is what I saw. Slivers, yay, light purple slivers. Woohoo. Ooh, I'm sorry, I peeked ahead. Some clear round faceteds. Those are pretty. These are cobalt blue. I love those. And silver. And then there's those. And a bunch of them. That's what I went ooh about. I love these. I've been getting these a lot. These teardrop pearly kind of things. In purple? Ooh, those are sharp. Yeah. Love those. All right, so there's our rhinestones. There might only be 8 of them, but doesn't, you know, the number is not what matters. It's what you get. All right, so there's that one. The flower explosion. This one's fatter. Well, it should be fatter. It's probably got more stuff in it. That one was pretty simple. I thought I was in. Guess I'm not. Seriously. Okay, so it's a bag in a bag. There's my issue. There's a bag. There's a bag. A bag in a bag. Ooh, this one has DMC codes, look. DMCs. Letters and symbols. Love that. Oh, look at while we're here. You can see that pretty good. All right. Pretty clear. Yeah. I'm thinking, what is this? What is this? As and the opening is where? Right there. They really need to put like directions. Open here. I do that all the time. Where do I open this thing at? All right. Oh, okay, there's a thumbnail here. Let me roll it backwards again. It's been working pretty good. For the first time ever, I started putting some of these small little ones underneath a mattress, and it actually works pretty good. I've had a few issues with ironing in the past. Some of this canvas material doesn't like to be ironed. It tends to want to stretch in one area and not the other, so it kind of warps, kind of, I guess. Yeah, I've had some issues with that. This one came with a few baggies. All right. And this one is rounds, full drill, round. Now you see there are no DMCs on the packaging, right? Just numbers and the kit number, but there are DMC codes on the painting. So yeah, putting them under my mattress has been working. I mean, I certainly don't need them right away, so I can just leave them under there for a while. Sometimes I forget they're there even. Go get them like a week later or something. All right, here's what I got. It's Santa Claus. Now, here's what may or may not work, okay? You can tell that's Santa, right? Well, that's a bird. Hopefully it'll look like a bird. And then you can see the deer. I mean, I can see the deer. But then down here, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what we got going on, but I think it's supposed to be other animals. But I don't really, I don't see them in there. Let's see. Let's look at the thumbnail. See if we can see the thumbnail. See if you can see the thumbnail. Thumbnail's not very clear even. If I look at the thumb, it's tiny, you guys. It's just, you can't even see it. But that's a deer on the one side, and it's supposed to be some other critters on the other side. I'll have to see if I can find the picture of it. Insert the picture and show you what it's supposed to look like. I don't know about this cluster over here, what that's going to look like. The deer, I think, will show up and be fine. These are packages. But, yeah. Don't know about that. I mean, this would be better in a bigger size. Just one size, but, I don't need all those huge paintings. And I was just kind of giving this a shot, hoping it might work. But, yeah, we'll see. I don't know about that corner down there. Anyhow. These didn't cost very much. I mean, they were, $8, They're kind of like CES deal pricing. Peggy Buy, Ann Buy, all those places. All right. Here's our colors. We have a purpley mauve, gray, the blue snow, blues, a brown, coral kind of, just kind of in the orange area, gold, mustardy brown tan stuff, gray, blue, more gray, and more gray, and more tan, brown, and one more gray. Lots of gray. All right, so there you have it, guys. That's the first two. This one will be fine. This one will be pretty and dazzling and sparkly. This one, I might not have critters down here. I might have a pile of something. I don't know. We'll see. I probably honestly won't even do this one like this year. I have other Christmas stuff, but, you know, maybe sometime in the middle of the summer when I feel like having a little Santa Claus, you know, I'll be like, hey, let's do a Santa. And, you know, if I start getting ready for another craft sale next year for Christmas, I'll have some Christmas stuff ready to go, because that's really what people wanted, was Christmas stuff. All right. So there's the first two, you guys. I'll get back with you with the other three when I find a minute to record that video. So anyhow, Sigmall. I will see if I can find a picture of this one, because that thumbnail is so tiny. It's so itty bitty, but it has DMC codes, just in case you're wondering. No 310s in it. So anyhow, thanks for watching the video, you guys. And, you know, Sigmall's out there if you want to check them out. I'll link them and all that good stuff for you. So hit the like button, subscribe, share, all that stuff. Helping my channel grow, hanging out with me, commenting. I love it, you guys. Thank you for all you do. See you later.